Today we're going to try the commercial electric LED utility light. Compact, low profile design, impact resistant, 7 watts of input power. Gives you 45 watts of incandescent light. 4.7 inches, basically a 5-inch light. Here it is. Kind of simple. Power and return line, ground line. Got the little nuts and 2 screws. And that's all we do is connect it and screw these into the existing plate. And why am I using something like this? In this closet, we store stuff underneath the stairs to the house. There's this big globe that I've almost knocked down a couple times. So I just want to put something low profile in here so that I don't schwack it. First thing, shut the breaker off. Validated the lights off. Leave it in the off position. Take the bulb out. Take the existing light off. The existing light has 2 leads and no ground, but we can see, you can see it's a black and a white, but the ground is just capped off, and we'll use the ground and tie it to this little hole right here. Before we touch anything, we're going to double check with the voltmeter. This will check for current. Doesn't see any. We're good to go. And even though the breaker's off and the switch is off and I didn't detect current, I'm not an electrician, so I don't know what people have done to my wires in my house. So it takes me 10 seconds to put the voltmeter on here, make sure there's no current. Okay, I'm good to go. We have the wire nuts on. I have it grounded. I wrapped it up here and I have it connected into the ground wire. I'm going to wrap it with electrical tape after I test it. Breaker back on. Turn the switch on. Here we go. Nice and bright. Let's mount it up there, wrap it with electrical tape and mount it. Just for safety. They're not going to be moving, but you just don't want it over time to pull out. You can see it's about as basic as light as it comes. The holes still show through. But for an outdoor closet, it's fine. Indoor, not so decorative. Test on. Here we go. Cool. Simple light, easy to install. And it's not a bad LED light. It gives off a good tone. It's not hard to look at with your eyes. The light output is 650 lumens, 7 watts power, lumens per watt 92. Color accuracy 80. So it's closer to a cool light than warm light, which means it's sort of whitish blue rather than a yellowy light. It's brighter and it looks nice when you're trying to just completely illuminate everything.